G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're doing some trail building. So we're going to get rid of this bottom bit on the double pucker pad and make it into a big drop. So I'll put you in time lapse and I hope you enjoy the video. So let's get to it. So just got that bottom section removed. Now Blake's just taking the posts from the bottom and we're going to replace them with some bigger posts. And then hopefully we can lift this bottom end up a bit so it isn't as steep. But yeah, that's what we'll do now. So just put these bigger posts in so they're a bit stronger. Then we've taken this bottom section out and we've kind of started building a bit of a landing. Not really, but getting there. But we might finish this in the morning because it's getting a bit dark, but yeah, doesn't look too bad. So it's the next day and we'll get back to building. So this top section here is complete. Now we're just going to do this bottom section to make the drop a little bit longer and more mellow, just so it's a bit smoother. Then we're going to do something here with the landing. So a quick update on the drop. It's looking sick. All this bottom bit is now sorted, top bit sorted. Now we're just working on this landing. So just finished shaping the landing and we've got a bit of a bomb hole here, and we'll just give it a bit of a rake and a once over, and then I think it'll be time for a test ride.
comes off the bridge.
Right. Those claps! So deaf. So deaf. So deaf.
Why is it so slimy? What is that? What is that? I can't even. Oh! Ew! Yucky!
Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Cheers.